How to mute story on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to mute story on Messenger. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the app, then at the bottom, you'll see the stories option. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you are inside the stories section, just browse through the available stories and find the story that you want to mute. And once you have found that, you can just tap on it to open. And now here, once you're inside the story, you can just tap on the three dot icon which can be seen in the top right side of that story. And now here, from the pop-up menu, you can just tap on mute option to mute that particular story. And that's it. That's how you can mute stories on Messenger. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.